Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Olineece. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. So today we'll be getting into this wig from UNice hair company. I'm just showing you guys the items that they sent in the box, and this is the wig. This is their ombre wig. I'm showing you guys right out of the box. The knots are not dyed, and this is what they look like compared to my skin. I really wish that they were dyed, but a little makeup will end up fixing that, or if you want to, you can go and dye the knots. Now, I'm really trying to show you guys that this is a T-part wig. A lot of people believe that when they get these wigs, they're going to get a 4x4 closure, and that's just not the case. The T-part means that the hair that I'm holding is attached to lace that you can actually go in and pluck, whereas on the other sides of that T part, there are tracks sewn onto the lace. Now, you cannot go in and take these tracks off and hope that there's hair underneath there, because there's simply just not going to be. This is all that you have to work with as far as plucking and the lace goes. Some people may like this idea because it lessens the problem of having to deal with all the hair on the lace, but others may not. So I just want to point that out to you guys, that it is not a free part 4x4 closure. So I'm showing you guys the hairline in the beginning, and I just went in and did some plucking and also applied some wax and flattened it a little bit to see if I could get it to lay down and show you guys what it will look like. I did wash this wig, just so you guys know, before I went in and applied it to my head. I'm just using some makeup to cover up those initial knots in the beginning of the silk base part, those knots that I showed you guys before, so that they will blend perfectly with my skin. And this is what they ended up looking like. I couldn't get all the knots, but I did try my best, and it's only those knots in the beginning that you have to worry about. So I went on to install this wig, and you guys can watch the install, but while that's happening, I am going to come to y'all and talk to you about the details of this wig. So this wig did come from Amazon. Right now they are having a 7% off sale on this wig, and I have this wig in 20 inches with the price of $139.89, and that's a saving of $10 with the 7% off. I do want to point out some things on this wig, that this wig is an ombre highlight kind of wig. So the roots of this wig are actually not black, they're more of this brownish kind of ombre color. I did let this wig sit in purple conditioner before I applied it, and still got this color. Once I was done, it didn't seem like the purple shampoo really did anything for the wig. So just to let you guys know that this is how the hair is going to be. The hair is 10A, and there is a pre-plucked middle part in the wig. The website says there is baby hairs, but I didn't really see that on the wig itself, but you can cut some if you do need to. This is 10A grade human hair, and it's meant to be straight. There is kind of like a super silky texture when you first get it, so that's why I went ahead and washed mine, so that way I knew it would hold the curls afterwards. But the curls are going to drop if you do not use any product. They carry this wig anywhere from 14 to 24 inches at this time, and they have comments on the wig down below. I just really wanted to let you guys know that this wig is very, very pigmented, and this is a T-part wig that is 150 density. So if you guys aren't really into colors, I would say beware, because it looks very modest online, but when you put it on your head and when you walk outside, it is very noticeable. So you're definitely going to experience that. And if you're planning to get this wig, just be prepared to do some plucking in the front so it doesn't look too wiggy on your head, and put some makeup on the silk base closure part in the end. Other than that, I love this wig. I did not experience any shedding at all with the hair. I did not experience any bleeding when I washed the hair, and it was an overall amazing experience. I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of this video and come back to y'all in the end. Okay guys, this is the final look. This hair is bouncy, she is moving, and she is giving me all of the vibes that I need. Okay, she's very voluminous, super pretty, and I absolutely loved styling this wig. If you guys want this wig, make sure you check in the description box below. Other than that, that's it for this video today. You guys, I love y'all so much. Make sure you hit those big red letters below on your way out, and also give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. I hope to see you guys as watchers or viewers of my next video. Bye. Have a great and awesome blessed day.